Rio de Janeiro, Christ the Redeemer.
Eiffel Tower.
Rio de Janeiro,
Eiffel Tower.
Rio de Janeiro, Christ the Redeemer.
Okay, next the Big Ben, how about... Don't shout. Today,
Today,
I will tell you...
I'll tell you something.
No, I will tell you about
I'll tell you
the world flags.
world flags.
Okay. Can you tell me where is the Philippines? Where's the Philippines? Where's the Philippines? Oh, you remove the tag. You remove the black one. Where's the Philippines? Yay! What's the capital of the Philippines?
Manila.
Okay. Next. Where is Albania?
Tirana.
What's the capital of Albania?
Tirana.
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 And then, where is Saudi Arabia?
Or Saudi. Oh, there.
There. Very good. What's the capital of Saudi Arabia?
Rida.
Huh?
Rida.
Riyadh.
Riyadh.
Tell me, what's this?
It's Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes!
Yay.
What's the capital of Sri Lanka?
Sri Kandiparyakoti.
Okay, I don't know.
Sorry.
How about this one? What's this?
St. Vincent in the Grenadines.
You open it nga. Is it right?
Yes.
Well, St. Vincent and the Grenadines. How about this one? What's this?
Azerbaijan.
Is it right?
Yes.
Oh, very good. What's the capital of Azerbaijan?
Baku.
Baku. Okay, very good. Next, what's this? What's this?
Qatar.
Qatar. What's the capital of Qatar?
Doha.
Doha. China.
Beside Cambodia.
Very good. What's the capital of China?
Beijing.
Beijing. How about this one? What's this?
It's Uzbekistan.
Oh, very good. How about what's this? What's this?
It's
What's this?
Austria.
Yay! It's Austria. What's the capital of Austria?
Vienna.
Vienna. Very good. How about the first one? What's the first one? Can you tell me what's the first one? That one. The first one. There.
It's
What is it? That one. Open
right.
it.
It's
What's that? What's that?
Bulgaria.
What's the capital of Bulgaria?
Sofia.
Oh, Sofia. How about this one? What's this?
Ethiopia.
Ethiopia. It's Ethiopia. What's the capital of Ethiopia?
I don't know.
How about... Can you tell me where is Uganda? Where's Uganda?
That one.
Where?
That one.
Oh, what's the capital of Uganda?
I don't know.
How about this one? What's this?
Mongolia.
Mongolia? Is it right? Oh, very good. Tell it to me first. What is that?
Bosnia and Herzegovina.
Bosnia and Herzegovina. What's the capital?
Sarajevo.
Sarajevo. And then the next one. You open the next one. What is that? That one.
Belgium.
Belgium. Is it right? Oh, very good. It's Belgium. What's the capital of Belgium?
Brussels.
Oh, you open na lang the next one. Open the next one. What is that? What is this?
Belarus.
Very good. What's the capital of Belarus?
Minsk.
What's this?
Azerbaijan.
What?
Azerbaijan.
Azerbaijan. Very good. What's the capital of Azerbaijan?
Baku. So many Azerbaijan.
So many. Where's the other Azerbaijan?
So many Azerbaijan.
Oh, where's the other one?
So many Azerbaijan.
Where's the other Azerbaijan?
There.
Where?
That one.
Oh, very good. There's two Azerbaijan.
Two. Azerbaijan.
Where can you find Azerbaijan?
In Baku.
No, what continent? Is it in Africa?
No.
Is it in Asia?
Yes.
Yes, very good. How about the next one? Tell me, what's this?
Bolivia.
What's this?
Armenia.
Armenia. What's the capital of Armenia?
Yerevan.
Huh?
Yerevan.
Yerevan. How about this one? What's this?
Andorra.
Very good. That's capital of Andorra.
Andorra and Valea.
Oh, okay. How about this one? Next one. This one. This one.
Yemen.
Oh, very good. What's the capital of Yemen? What's the
Sana.
Huh?
Where's Oman?
Oh, sige. Where's Oman? What's the capital of Oman?
I don't know.
How about this one? What's this?
Vietnam.
Vietnam. What's the capital of Vietnam? What's the capital?
Hanoi.
Hanoi.
Where's Eritrea?
Okay. Eritrea. Very good. What's the capital of Eritrea?
I don't know.
I don't know. Okay, next one. This one.
Where's Russia?
Okay. Russia. Capital of Russia?
Moscow.
Moscow. Next one. Where is?
Singapore.
Singapore. Very good. Capital of Singapore?
Singapore.
Very good. Next. Pick it up. What's that? What's that?
Pakistan.
Pakistan. Capital of Pakistan?
Flag.
Okay.
U-
What's that? What is that?
UAE.
UAE.
United Arab Emirates.
Okay, what's the capital?
Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi. This
And
one.
Burj Al Arab in Dubai.
Ah, there's Burj Al Arab in Dubai.
Estonia.
Capital of Estonia? There's another one. What's that? This one. This one. Open this one.
Cote d'Ivoire.
What's the country?
Syria.
Syria. Capital?
I don't know.
I don't know. Okay, the next one. Last three.
Tajikistan.
You open Tajikistan. Very good. And next. What's that? What's that? Tell me it first.
Thailand.
What's the capital of Thailand?
Bangkok.
Bangkok. And last one. What's that?
Turkey.
What's the capital of Turkey?
Istanbul.
Istanbul.